Okay, this video is about my AC power analyzer, which I built using some boards I laid out with KiCad and an Arduino processor. Now, this is the back of the unit, so what we're going to do is remove the back of the unit, the screws, and you can see what's inside. Well, drop the screwdriver. Let's try this again. Alright, so that's the back. Let's get the front now. There we go. Get the bottom one over here. Alright, one more. Alright. So this is a clamshell case, and so it comes apart in two sections. And there's a piece of tape that I left on here. So what we'll do is cut that tape so that it comes apart. Alright. That takes care of that. So what we have is a number of boards in here. In the lower right is an Arduino Nano. Oh, I'm sorry, that's a Mini, which is the main thing that drives the display. And then over here is a 5-volt isolated DC to DC converter. And up in the corner is a isolation board that isolates the SPI bus from the AC line powered 5-volt power supply, which is used to power the power monitoring chip. This is a custom circuit board that I made to isolate RS-232 signals, but I just partially stuffed, in this case, to act as just an isolation barrier for the SPI signals. And then over here is another board that I designed, which is a uses the Atmel 90E24 current monitor chip, and it's basically a SPI bus interface off of going through the connector over here to the isolation board, and then from the isolation board it goes back to the Arduino. So then on the front is a display. It's a 128/64 graphics display, and that's used to output all of the various AC voltages, currents, phase angles, kVA, and other measurements all at once. There's a power switch which switches off the load on the front so you can synchronize things a little bit more easily. And then on the back panel we've got a C19 input connector, a fuse, and one of the RS-232 isolated boards for programming the Arduino. So the whole thing's built on perf board, and so the circuit board's all mounted on a big piece of perf board, and that sits inside these rails, or these slots inside the C-shaped clamshell structure. So that's the insides of the AC power analyzer.